Tutorial shows how to set up recurring expenses. If it's not already visible, find the Fiscal Forecaster toolbar under Add-ins in the ribbon and click Wizards for Recurring Expenses. If you look behind the wizard, you'll see that the screen changed to show the schedule sheet with Expenses, row 127, selected. All the data you enter into this wizard will be stored in a row on this sheet and always accessible. Back on the form, page 1 tells you what information you'll need before starting. Click the next button to go to page 2, and the forecast values you set up earlier are displayed at the top. We select Auto and Other Transportation category and get the first entry under the Car 1 subcategory. We'll have to change subcategory name on the forecast sheet later. We select Fuel, and in the background you'll see that row 134 is now selected on the sheet. Mike buys gas for his car every paycheck, so we leave the frequency as is and enter the payment and start date. Since he pays cash, we leave days early to mail at 0 and tab down to annual changes. For this example file, we know the 2008 increase is 11.7%. We fill it out and accept the start date. Now click the Click When Done and OK buttons to accept the entries and enable the Finish button. Click Finish and Yes to answer, do we want to enter another expense? Our entries are stored on the sheet in the back. Let's find registration for the same car. We'll change frequency to yearly and enter the payment and start date. Since we mailed this payment early, we change days early to mail to 10. When we tab away from the field, the mail date is calculated by subtracting the 10 days from the start date. The mail date is the date used when Fiscal Forecaster Scheduler places the payment on the forecast sheet. Click the Click When Done button and Finish. And finally, no, we don't want to enter any other payments. When processing ends, we're taken to the forecast sheet, which is a reflection of our checkbook. We change the subcategory name in column B, and this also changes the name on the schedule sheet. Now we check out the start date, 1/5/2007, and columns totals for 2007 in columns C through G. The year to total is changeable, the orange box in the center. If we click on a payment and then repeatedly click the right-facing arrow, we can find the increase under the first date in 2008. Click the first entry under the jump key to find that the increases over 40 years have resulted in fuel bills of over $3,000 every 2 weeks. We'll change that in our cost of living tutorial. We can create a report showing a list of all the payments we've set up. This can be a big help when we need to stop working with Fiscal Forecaster before we've entered all our income and expenses. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.